Connect. Power Connect Show. Power Connect. Power Connect Show. Your reliable program that gives you all the information you need to know about the power sector, professionals in the industry, electrical products, government agencies, the stakeholders, and many more. Power Connect Show.
Beautiful, very, very exciting day as usual. It's your program, the Power Connect Show, the program that always gives you the best of information in the world of electricity, as far as Nigeria is concerned, and even much beyond. My own name is Ademola Ben Cranston Adegoke, and you know that when it is the top of the hour like this, you expect that this program must come to you in a brand new way, and it's coming to you in a brand new way again this week. And you also expect that whenever you hear my name, you expect another name to come after. I'm talking of no other one, the one you know as BB Banji Busari is here with me on this station, Niger FM 102.7. Banji, how are you?
Great, ABC. You know what? You know, there's nothing as fulfilling as adding value to people's lives.
Yeah.
On this program, we do no other thing than add as much as possible value to people's lives.
Yes.
We talk about safety. We talk about things that are very useful to their individual lives, family lives, and even their business life. That's really what we do on this program.
Really?
Yes, we are going to do exactly that on this edition of the program. My name is Banji Busari. Sit back and enjoy the next 30 minutes on Power Connect Show. Yeah, the duo is ready to give you the very best of information about electricity. You are welcome.
And we get cracking right on with the news and tidbits for the day. And you know, it says EKEDC explains cause of outage in Ikoyi and VI. The news says a Kwel State Distribution Company has given reason for the outage experienced in Ikoyi and Victoria Island areas within its licensed domain within the last 1 day. A public notice by the company said the outage was due to a tripping on the Egbe Ajah 330 kV line. While appealing to customers to please bear with the situation while it lasts, the company said efforts were on with the Transmission Company of Nigeria to ensure speedy clearance of the fault and subsequent restoration of power supply. So, I mean,
yes.
talk about customer centricity.
That's what EKDC is known for. We'll go for a short break. When we return, we'll launch the main program.
Dear Ogbonge Eco Disco customer, abeg make you go our website www.ekedp.com/sts and enter your current meter number to check whether your meter qualify to upgrade to the STS2 version. If your meter qualify, we go holla you back. But if you not qualify, you fit apply for new meter and the EKEDC go return the meter money to you over time. If you experience any wahala, abeg make you contact our customer experience team through the email or phone wey we provide. This na public service announcement from EKEDC. EKEDC, na we dey empower the quality of life.
FM 102.7 ABC.
Yeah. You know that when you see a parent not to do a particular thing, not happen on a particular issue consistently, there must be it. One, it is out of love for the child, and it is also, it is also to ensure that the child never comes to harm at any time. And that is what EKEDC does with its customers, that they will never come to harm. That as electricity, yes, they want to, EKEDC wants the customers, but any kind of danger, hazard, either at work or in the home or on the street, That is one thing that EKEDC detests so well. And so this week again, the emphasis is still on safety. It is still on safety. We will be looking at it purely from the domestic angle. And as usual, our sponsors, EKEDC, they have sent one of their own. We are talking of the District Operations Manager for Ojo District. He's an engineer Kayode Olorundare. You are welcome, engineer.
Thank you very much, our presenter. I want to greet everybody. Good evening, and everyone in the studio. Thank you for having us.
Yes.
It's our pleasure to have you. It's the third in the series of our discussion on
Safety.
Yes. So this emphasis is very significant for people to know how much premium EKEDC places on safety. Now, let's take it from the the basics, the very beginning. A lot of people dream, they aspire. Then some dream so much about building houses, structures, and all of that. As soon as they get land, the next thing is, have you bought blocks? And they start setting. Has it reached the lintel level? Has it reached the level? Has it reached? Hardly do people pay attention to the electrical
from the very
from
scratch.
the foundation. Hardly do people pay attention. What kind of wiring do I want for this house that I'm contemplating?
What kind of load?
What kind of load?
What kind of load is going the house is going to have?
Take. So, what are those basic elements that we actually need to know as soon as we start construction of a building? That's either residential or factory or business or offices, whatever the nature of the building is. What are those basic elements we really need to know?
Thank you very much. Electricity is invented for man, and no matter where we find ourselves, we need it to live. We need it to do our business. We need it to grow. We need it for everything. So the role of electricity in our areas, in our homes, in our companies, in our environment cannot be underestimated. And as much as we are conversant with this, we must also realize that safety has to go by it, because safety is the rule of the game. So when we are setting up a home, or we are setting up any installations, we need to have it at the back of our mind that the electrical safety of the building or the installation is paramount. And starting from the load analysis, the wirings, the earthing, the installation, in all, it is my humble suggestion that when we are handling such a things like that, we must involve the expertise, those who know about it, who know about the load, who know the load analysis, who know about the wiring configurations, that will guide us in making sure that the right rating is used appropriately for the right load.
So can we take one after the other? You feel speak pidgin here, because the people when they listen to us, this load, the way they talk, they're going to ask, waiting be load, waiting be earthing, waiting be all these things. So break it down for us. Let's start with load.
Okay, my people, let me come home. Let me come to the basics. If now one build a building, it is good to wire it. Now go wire them. Now go use electricity for the building. So when we are building, when we are building, constructing our building, we must make sure say we do the right thing. We involve the person we know about the job.
Good.
Person we know about wiring. No be roadside electrician. Even the roadside electrician, it's not a crime to be a roadside electrician, but he must know what thing they do. He must know the right load where the house wants.
No, he must get the certification. Make we clarify.
He must be a certified,
certified
electrician.
That know what thing they do, so that no go put in for problem.
Very good.
So go after the person that know what thing they do, so that
Fine.
at the end of the day,
so now you don't know pick the person. Wait, what about load? Be load.
Now you go tell them waiting. This building, this is what I want to build here.
Na 3-bedroom flat.
Na 3-bedroom flat. I go use washing machine here. I would like to have my iron here. I would like to get my AC. I won't get AC for sitting room. I go put AC for my master bedroom. when you explain all this thing to the electrician, na him go come know say, oh, this thing, oh, if you are having a point of light, so rating of wire, now we go use based on the code, based on the standard, based on IE standard. Oh, now the so rating of wire, now I go use. No be say where you supposed to use a wire meant for lighting, which is 1 mm. You go put that kind of wire rating, put am for socket. We're supposed to carry heater.
I have a question on this.
Okay.
I have a question on this. Person don't build a house. Maybe by the time they build house, he never get money. Now only radio and TV he get. He don't build the house. He don't buy TV. He don't buy freezer. He don't buy different kinds of appliances. At that time, what is he supposed to do?
Thank you. The wiring for house has its own load rating.
That is what we are saying.
You must have in mind the loading where you want put for your house, because the load determines the rating of the
but by the time he was building the house, na small load. He never, na small load.
Never buy freezer.
He never buy freezer. He never buy. But now he has completed the house, and God don't bless him more.
Maybe they talk about upgrading. Is he upgrading?
Normally, for every wiring of an installation, there are basic things that must be followed, and that was why initially I talk about professionals. In a standard apartment, you must envisage that this apartment, even whether the person get her now or be never get her, you must envisage that there should be AC in the sitting room. There should be AC in the. So make sure those wiring are done. No follow talk. Say whether money there be money no there. The rules and regulations as per loading, as per rating of wire must be obliged, must be followed.
So in other words, the person must plan ahead. Abi, so that
if you don't get money today, you fit get
money tomorrow. Don't just use any kind of thing.
You don't get them. You don't use anything. You must use
the
correct thing. No be say you want.
Fine. We don't talk about load now.
I have to use a small. No. Use the right thing.
Okay, no, there is still one area. I won't ask. How people they sincere about this? Do they talk about load analysis? Then they sincere about this load declaration. Say now this kind of thing I won't put it. Then go say, because then if you say if I do this one, EKDC go they be me too much. How sincere the people they be for this kind of thing?
My people they talk say person we go take care of you. They hide yourself around. For the fact that you don't involve a professional as an electrician, we won't help you wire your house. You don't need to hide anything for them. You must tell them, say this. Even if, as a professional, even if you say you never get this thing now small thing I want to, the man must let you know, say, Oga, standard be say you must have this. A standard room must have at least one socket.
All right.
And that socket must be at least 13 amps. Another socket wey go carry AC must be 15 amps. So he must make sure, say, he insists that the owner of that building, Oga, you must follow this rule. It is not for now, it is for future.
Okay, fine. We don't talk about load analysis. Make we move to earthing. Wetin be earthing sef? Person wey wan build house, you come go tell am earthing. Wetin you wan set block, make the house finish, make it moving. Wetin be earthing sef?
Earthing is a very important area in any electrical installation.
Mm-hmm.
And such thing is provided for a very free and easy access, whereby fault current can have its passage to the modern heart. So it is very important in electrical installation to have earthing.
Wetin be earthing?
Earthing is the connection, is an easy path to the heart is to the mass, to the arch mass, or how do I put it? To the body,
to the ground.
To the ground.
Okay. For the escape of maybe excess current.
Fault current.
Fault current.
It has an easy way
to flow
back. Because if such a thing is not
without doing danger.
It provides serious issue to the appliances, even to the people wey dey for the house.
If current dey too much for house, e must get a way to exit.
To escape.
To escape. No be say if current dey too much. When there is fault, fault comes with excess current. And the expert has made it available that in the event of fault whereby excess current is available at the nature of fault, he must have a way of escape. And that is what the facility
that is what Ethin does.
Still all about safety.
It's still about safety.
Very important. So it should not be undermined.
Very critical.
Critical in any installation.
If you talk say na compulsory.
It is compulsory. Thank you, my presenter.
Okay.
Compulsory.
You know, say for this program we get tradition. You know they do the job alone. You know,
no,
ABC.
they always invite. We always invite our listeners now. Make them.
And then they use this product. Make we involve them. The numbers to call 020-1515-1027. I get another line 020-1515-2027. You fit call WhatsApp number 081-001-30349. Now the usual line wey you dey use every week be that way. But before we actually invite you receive your call, let us go for a short break. After that.
Dear esteemed customer, Eco Electricity Distribution Company, Ecodisco, hereby advises you against careless attitudes in your daily usage of electricity to avoid electrocution. Electrocution is the passage of electrical current through a human body, resulting in death. EKEDC therefore advises you to be extremely careful when using electric gas cookers, microwave ovens, washing machines, irons, and so on when plugging in your TV, radio, DVD players, and stereo sets. Do not tamper with or attempt repairing your meter if it develops a fault. Invite a qualified electrical engineer. Also, this rainy season, to avoid electrocution or untimely death, be careful not to step on naked electricity wire or engage in any trading or business activity under high tension wire. For any electrical issues you have, call our customer care line on 0708 067 1170 and 0700 123 5666. EKEDC. Empowering the quality of lives.
Yes, empowering the quality of lives. EKEDC. The numbers once again to call us 020-1515-1027. The other line is 020-1515-2027. Then the WhatsApp number is 081-001-30349. But ABC, get one thing where I want to tell listeners so before we proceed. This weekend go loud go for Lagos.
That's right.
Get one big cultural event where they come up and they never see them for Lagos. So
okay.
This one they take place for Teslim Balogun for Surulere.
That's right. And
they
call
Twins Fest.
Twin Fest.
Twins or people of multiple birth.
And I hear say our sponsors in Electricity District then they support them.
You know they support them here.
Then they support them. That's why here.
Support better program.
That's why here.
So EKDC the partner.
So if you are a twin, you are a twin brother, twin parent,
and 24th. That's Friday and Saturday
for Teslim Balogun
for Lagos. Yeah.
That's right. Here.
A wolf gift plenty.
That's
for
right.
Nadia.
That's
and
right.
You go meet people where you go like, where you go see event, where you go see things about our culture where you would like and you would like to.
That's to tell you that EKEDC is an organization that is that takes social responsibility so serious.
So Twins Fest, 23rd, 24th August 2024, Friday, Saturday. Join us. Yes, that is going to be. It's going to loud.
That's right.
You go loud. Go
loud.
ABC,
you go loud for Lagos.
I sure say you go there.
I go there now.
I mean, I go there.
I go there.
So, Engineer Olorun Dare, me, I want to ask you. I want to ask whether there are personal protective equipment for domestic use, just like we have for industrial use.
Very true. There are personal protective equipment. It's meant for safety. They talk about safety.
For house, not be the one way then they use for. We don't say for office or for construction. People they use personal protective, but for them,
very important. Like glove is there. Glove is for safety. of preventing contact with a live wire.
So if you want to change the changeover, if you use glove.
Yes, it's double protection. Though normally some changeover, some gear switch as insulator that you can use holding that handle. But in addition, using glove to handle any electrical appliances is like double protection. It's like double protection to safeguard us.
So no harm will go, no danger will come to you.
Exactly. And secondly, the use of insulating mat, very, very important.
Wetin be
insulating mat is a way of securing yourself.
Wetin be that mat?
Mat is like, it's a carpet. Let me just put it in a raw language.
Then they sleep on top of.
No, they go sleep on top. It's a rubber carpet.
Okay.
That is it's an insulator. It provides insulating means so that the person where even by mistake has
contact with electricity, with live current,
leaking appliances can be protected from having from turning into a conductor.
So the body no go they carry live current.
So that is it. So having glove, very, very important.
Okay, don't mention glove.
We talk about insulating mat. More exactly, area whereby people they do iron, you have your pressing iron. It is good, very, very important that you have insulating mat.
Because the voltage where the thing they need they high.
It not be per se because of the voltage. It's a way of insulating yourself. Like I said about this safety, it's a double protection.
Okay.
And most of these electrical appliances, it's not good to have a spill of water around them. And by having such a mat,
the thing go dey. But even that mat sef for kitchen, you know say water dey fall on water go dey fall for ground for kitchen. Where that mat go work if water falls on it.
Specifically, that mat is good in areas whereby you have electrical appliances. There you have your.
But me at the top say water can't fall on top of that.
We should take note of that and make sure that
water does not fall on it.
Even if by mistake, water because kitchen and water now, butter and bread.
Okay, so
it must not be wet. It must not be. Electricity and moisture and water, they know they agree. We should avoid that as a part of our safety measure, and that is the call. We are Eco Electricity Distribution Company is dishing across to our people.
It be like say someone they phone.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, we dey hear you. Hello, good evening. Hello, who is online?
The line, they crack.
Hello, who is on the line?
All right.
Oh.
Okay. While we are still expecting, waiting be those red flags. Okay. Hello, is the person still there? Okay, I guess the person has to call back. What are those red flags? I mean, those danger signs.
Danger signs. Person go they see for house.
Say, this thing
don't make I quickly. Okay,
if
you like say another person. Hello.
Yeah, how are you?
We're fine.
Okay, my name is Dr. Obara.
Doctor
Obara.
Obara, okay.
Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Lake.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
I stay in Ikate, Lekki Garden.
Very good.
What happened when EKGC told us that we are going to be in Band A? And some days, like yesterday, we had like only 1 hour. 2 days ago, we have 0 hours. We have been plugging our generator every time. What happened to that?
Okay, Mr. Obara, Dr. Obara, if you listened to this program, I don't know when you came into the program, but from the very beginning, the first thing that the first item on the program today was the news that EKDC apologized for the fault in Ikoyi VI and environs, and that it has to do with a tripping on the 330 kV line from Egmi to Aja, and that is the transmission line that supplies your area. So it's sincere apologies for that. EKDC had apologized, and that was the first news item we read on the program today. So please bear with us. Please bear with us. Bear with EKDC. Efforts are on to restore supply speedily. Thank you for bringing it to our notice. Okay. Hello.
All right, that's Dr. Obara's contribution. If you have issues relating to this topic, safety, please let us know.
But maybe for the sake of emphasis, it needs to be said that if the fault has not been cleared, I mean that is the fault on Ikoyi VI and environs. Please bear in mind that this is not even from EKEDC directly. It has to do with a tripping on the 330 Egmi Aja transmission line, and
for consumers at home,
supply restoration. Yeah.
But let us just apologize and then move on.
Okay.
Engineer Olorundare, we're talking about red flags.
Danger signs in the house. What are those danger signs? Person go see to say, make I quickly go fix this one.
We must make sure in our homes, we must make sure say we know they use wire we don't peel. Whenever you notice that a wire we carry light, we carry current, you don't peel. Please, it's a red flag. You must call attention of an expert to look at it. And we must make sure say we know they overload our installations. A socket, a point made for lighting should not be used for socket, should not be used for carrying excess load. You see some houses where we say point of light like this, they're supposed to carry a bulb of 5 amps, a bulb of 10 amps. They'll go use them to plug iron or to plug heater. All those things are danger signs that we must try as much as possible to avoid. We must try as much as possible not to touch energized circuit. Any circuit where they carry light, where say any wire. What I mean by circuit is a network, a wire that carry light. No touch them. Don't make sure say most of this wire. Some people go put them under their rug.
Someone they call us.
It's very important.
Hello. We lost
that caller.
We don't lose that call. We don't lose that.
Okay. We don't get time again. We take advantage of the next 1 minute. We need to. It's an ongoing. Your advice to the consumer, for the electricity consumers at home.
Our consumer, once again, I want to greet you now. Good evening. We want you well. We want you safe. We want you alive. I beg, make take good note of your electrical installation. Make sure that you involve experts in handling your electrical installation. Make sure that you don't monkey with electricity. Make sure that you don't touch an energized wire. Electricity and water no be friend. Though now from water they generate electricity through hydro, but at our various homes they no compatible. Avoid areas whereby there is water. No allow water and electricity to meet together. Make sure that you play safe by insulating yourself.
Thank you so much, Engineer Olorundare.
That's a DOM.
DOM, that is the District Operations Manager. For the technical side.
Distribution. Thank you so much for your time and your thoughts on this program. We appreciate it so much. Our sincere appreciation to EKDC. I bet when you get to tell the Pata say then they do better job for this program.
So Banji, we have to run. We have to run. Now mine is Ademola Benkranson Adegoke. Till next week we'll see again.
That EKDC will reimburse you for the meter over time.
If you experience any issues, kindly contact our customer experience team via the email or phone number provided. This is a public service announcement from Eco Electricity Distribution Company.